Buenas tardes, amigos. Bienvenidos. We're here at Mayan World Adventure Park in Belize. So we're here to check out the waterfalls today. They also have ziplining, tubing, horseback riding, and a few other activities. But today it's the waterfalls. So let's go. Okay, so this is the entrance. When you come in, there are some tables and seating set up for the visitors. Look at the seating. It's giving, I love it. It's so rustic. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Look at this. Nice wood carvings. This is what I love about Belize. All of their like structures and their interior design is all, they incorporate so much nature into their designs, and I absolutely love that. As you all know, I am a nature girl. So this is just right up my alley. Absolutely love it. And of course it's fitting because we are in the middle of the rainforest here in Belize. So it's absolutely fitting that they include these types of elements into their interior and exterior, as you can see here as well. This looks like a bar. Now, there's no one here. However, like, check out this wood. I suppose this area here would be a wood burning stove. Now, that's quite interesting. I just love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, let's check out the falls. Angela, are you going out? There's two different angles of it.
Jane.
Jane. Now, isn't that something? Oh, that's beautiful. Not too bad. Yeah, very. Oh, goodness. Wow. No. We don't know if this is an abandoned house, a previous villa, but I mean, this building has really good structure. Like, look at this place. It's amazing. This is, I guess, would be a kitchen. And wow, like look at this. Like this is crazy. That washroom is crazy. Now what would this be? Are you serious? Oh yeah, that makes, and this is the bed frame. Oh yeah, because the dresser drawer. What in the hell? And you just put all your plants and everything here and oh.